Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll start inside Settings. This gives the permissions and account access required to show Play Store. First, make sure your Google account is signed in and Wi-Fi is stable so the device can fetch apps. Once done, navigate to the Settings gear on the home screen and select Accounts and Sign In. This initial step ensures the Play Store appears for your profile. Without a signed-in account, the store is hidden or limited, so you must complete this before proceeding. Next, you'll access the Apps section to reveal system apps like the Play Store. Open Apps or Apps and Notifications and choose See All Apps, then tap the menu or Advance to include system processes. If Google Play Store is disabled or hidden, enable it here. Enabling restores its icon to the launcher. Make sure to clear cache and update the store app if visible but misbehaving. This fixes discovery issues and ensures. Finally, go back to the home screen and open the Play Store. You'll be prompted to sign in or accept terms, which completes setup and lets you download apps. If the app won't open, update Google Play Services from App Settings or Force Stop and clear cache. If the Play Store remains missing, reboot the TV, verify the same Google account appears under Settings, and only then consider a factory reset. This step resolves stubborn issues without skipping basic account and cache fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.